Uh, this house is for sale and for rent at Puchong Hatamas. Now let's access to the main gate. It's a car porch. You can park. If you change the alter the gate, you can park actually a big car over here. Now we access to the garden. Okay. Okay. There was like quite a wide garden over here. Okay. And we have a side porch over here. Okay. And now we go to this backyard. Now this backyard have a kitchen extension over here, actually for the kitchen usage. Now let's move back to the main gate, car porch over the side, and we access to the main gate. Okay. This is the car porch. Okay, and now we access to the main door. Okay. Okay. This is the center of the living hall. Now move on to the granny room. Okay. This is good for your granny or grandfather. Okay. Now we move on to the kitchen. Okay. This is the center of the kitchen. Alright. And we have a attached bathroom over here. Okay. Now we move on back to the kitchen and back to the backyard. Okay. Now we move back to the center of the living hall and access to the stairway. Okay. This is the stairway to the second floor. On the second floor, you have 3 bedrooms. So total is 4 bedrooms. Okay, 1 granny room, 1 master bedroom, and 2 common rooms. Now we access to the master bedroom first. Okay. We are now at the center of the master bedroom. You can see a view. Okay. You can see the view. Okay. And you can access to the master bedroom bathroom. Okay. So now access to the first common room. Now something special about this first common room is that they have a shared bathroom with the common room, which is attached bathroom. Now this is the center of the second common room, first common room. Sorry. Okay, we have a view on that. We have a garden view also. The rest area you can have some recreation over there with your family. Okay. Now let's go to the shared bathroom. Okay. Okay, this is a shared bathroom, whereby you can access to the second common room. Okay. Now you can have a view. It's a window view of the second common room. And let's access back to the living room, which is the living hall, and we get back to the car porch and back to the gate. Okay, this is the living hall. We'll get back to the main door and